Happy New Year. I'm Dr. Xavier Delatorre, the Superintendent of Schools in the Ysleta Independent School District. This month we are joining with school districts across Texas to celebrate School Board Recognition Month. Very often the work of our 7 dedicated trustees is overlooked, but every January we focus the spotlight on them and the immeasurable contribution they make to the quality of our children's education. Serving as a school board trustee is a tough yet rewarding job that requires selflessness, wisdom, a desire to serve the community, and resiliency. Throughout the year, trustees put in hundreds of volunteer hours at meetings, workshops, trainings, school visits, and special events, and they do it all in the best interest of our 42,000 students. They work closely with the community, schools, and district administration, and they make decisions that affect not only the education and well-being of our students, but our faculty and staff as well. On the national level, School Board Recognition Month began in the 1990s by former President Bill Clinton. Several states, including Texas, also dedicate a month to recognize the service of local school boards. The purpose of recognizing school board members is simple: to encourage veteran trustees to continue making a commitment to serve on the board, as well as inspire others to get involved in schools to make a positive change. Throughout the month of January, we will feature each of our trustees on our website at yisd.net. By clicking on the Board tab, you can also access more information about our trustees, including their backgrounds, length of their terms, contact information, and the schedule of board meetings, workshops, and agendas. Although the efforts of our trustees merit praise year-round, we set aside one board meeting in January to offer our appreciation on behalf of students, faculty, and administrators. This year, our trustees will be recognized by our schools at the January 21st board meeting that takes place at 6 p.m. in the Ysleta Room at Central Office located at 9600 Sims Drive. We encourage all members of the public to join us at this board meeting and every board meeting to watch your elected representatives in action. We thank you for your support, and we thank you for your dedication.